Now we are going to see question number 2. If theta is an angle, then find the first subdivision sine of pi by 4 minus theta by 2 when sine theta is equal to 1 by 25. So first I am going to take sine of pi by 4 minus theta by 2, that is equal to, so this is in the form of what? Sine A minus B. Sine A minus B, that is equal to what? Sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. So sine pi by 4 cos theta by 2 minus cos pi by 4 sin theta by 2. So sine pi by 4, that is 1 by root 2, cos theta by 2 minus cos pi by 4. Pi by 4 means what? 45 degree. Cos 45, that is 1 by root 2 sin theta by 2. So now I am going to take 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, take outside. So the remaining term cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. So this is what? Sin pi by 4 minus theta by 2. So first now I am going to squaring on both sides. So sin square pi by 4 minus theta by 2, that is equal to what? Square root of square பண்ணும்போது square root get cancel, so 1 by 2. This term cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 whole square. So 1 by 2 into, this is in the form of what? A minus b whole square. So a square, so cos square theta plus b square sin square theta by 2 minus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So this is the formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now we know the formula cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1. So here cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2 is equal to what? 1 minus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So we have the formula 2 sin a cos a, that is equal to sin 2a. This is the formula. 2 sin a cos a is equal to what? Sin 2a. Here 2 sin a cos a. So a equal to what? Theta by 2. So apply பண்ணும்போது sin 2 into theta by 2, that is equal to what? 2 to get cancel. So 1 minus sin theta. So 1 by 2 into 1 minus sin theta. So now 1 by 2, 1 minus sin theta is given what? 1 by 25. So 1 minus 1 by 25. So 25 ones are 25 minus 1, the whole divided by 25. So 24 by 25. So this 2 and 24 get cancelled 12 times. So sin square pi by 4 minus theta by 2, that is equal to 12 by 25. So this is the answer for this first subdivision. So now we have to change this, but we need what value? Sin pi by 4 minus theta by 2. So this square I am going to take that side. So what will get? So sin pi by 4 minus theta by 2, that is equal to square root of 12 by 25. 12 we can split 4 3s are 12. 4 root 2 root 3, the whole divided by 25 root 5. So this is the answer for first subdivision. The next we have second subdivision, cos pi by 4 plus theta by 2 when sin theta is given 8 by 9. So cos pi by 4 plus theta by 2, that is equal to, this is in the form of cos a plus b. Cos a plus b, that is equal to what? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos a value 1 by root 2 cos theta by 2 minus sin 45 value 1 by root 2 sin theta by 2. So 1 by root 2 I am going to take outside. So cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. So now I am going to squaring on both sides. So cos square pi by 4 plus theta by 2, that is equal to square பண்ணும்போது 1 by 2. இது square பண்ணும்போது cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by the whole square. So we have to expand this. So this is in the form of a minus b the whole square. So 1 by 2 a square cos square theta by 2 plus b square sin square theta by 2 minus 2 cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2. So this is value what? This value already know, cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1. Here cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2, that is equal to what? 1 minus 2 into cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2. So this is in the form of what? 2 sin a cos a, that is equal to what? Sin 2a. So what will get? Sin 2 into theta by 2. 2 to get cancelled. So we'll get sin theta. So 1 by 2, 1 minus sin theta. So 1 by 2, 1 minus sin theta value is given what? 8 by 7, 8 by 9. So 9 ones are 9 minus 8, the whole divided by 9. So 9 minus 8 value 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 9. So 1s are 1, 2 9s are 18. So 18 we can split, 9 2s are 18. So 9 rooted 3. So 3 root 2. So cos pi by 4 plus theta by 2, that is equal to what? 1 divided by 3 root 2 is the answer for this sum. Clear?